to my channel. If you are new, my name is Maddie. Thank you so much for joining. Today I'm going to be doing not only one, but two of my Funko Pop subscriptions. So if you haven't seen any of my other Funko Pops, I will leave them down in my Disney playlist down below, or as well as I'll try and link them up here in the cards. Basically what it is a month-to-month subscription service that I have subscribed to. I do the Disney one and it sends me one Disney Funko Pop a month. There's a 3, a 6, a 9, a 12-month subscription, or I should say like Funkos a month subscription, so I could get like 1, 3, 6, 9, 12. There may even be a 24. They also do discounted pops, so it's super great. If you wanted to sign up, I will leave a link in the description box below. There's also a coupon code when you use that link. And like I said, I do the Disney subscription, so we are doing the May and June box. I still have not found March, guys. Still don't know where she is. Hopefully with me renovating everything and running around, I'll be able to find her, because she's somewhere. But anyways, like I said, this is for May and June, so if you're excited to see what I got in these boxes, just keep watching. So we are going to start off with May, and as usual, like you guys like it here, I will give you the first look. I have cut the tape, but I have not looked inside at all. So what do we see? What do we see? No way! Oh my gosh! This is one of the Crimes of Grindelwald Funkos. Oh, this is so awesome. This is Zawoo. I have the Baby Nifflers. I have Newt Scamander. I have Gellert Grindelwald. I have Pickett. I think that's it out of this collection. I definitely don't have the Chupacabra. I didn't have Nagini. I don't have Albus Dumbledore. I think that's it. So this is definitely one that I have thumbs up for sure. The box looks pretty good. I don't see any damage. There is a little bit of scratching on the preview window, but that is a-okay. So this is freaking awesome. The detail in his face is unbelievable. His teeth, everything. He's super beautiful. I'm so excited to add him to the collection. So right off the bat, this is a freaking awesome pop. I don't know if June can top that, because like I have had that thumbs up for a while since it's come out. So again, here is June. So let's give you the first look. What do we have? What do we have? No way! This is Ursula as Vanessa, which is a Pop in a Box exclusive. This is for the Little Mermaid 30th years anniversary. This is so cool. So in this collection, you could have had Ariel, Ariel in her dress, Prince Eric, Scuttle, Chef Lewis, Ursula, and then Ursula a 10-inch with her crown and Triton on it. So this is Ursula's Vanessa. This is so cool. I'm so happy for these Disney, for the Pop in a Box exclusives, because honestly, these are so cool. And sometimes these go for like $100, $150 online. I don't sell mine. I'm an inbox collector and I like to have them all beautifully organized. I definitely will not sell her. She is stunning. The detail on her dress, her shell necklace is just over the moon. My only thing is like, is it not weird that she doesn't have a mouth? Because like I'm looking at all the other ones and they do, except for Prince Eric and Ariel. But like everyone else has a mouth. I don't know, I may just be weird. But that's super cool. So I definitely have to say my favorite this month was Ursula. Obviously, it is a Pop in a Box exclusive, which is really, really cool. I think like every 3 months or so, I've gotten an exclusive, which is pretty freaking awesome. And I'm super excited and thankful about this service. I did cancel, I want to say a little while ago, but like I literally went like maybe a month and then resubscribed again. It's honestly a present to my doorstep every month, so like why wouldn't I want to keep it, you know? But basically these are my two pops for the May and June. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you aren't already, click that subscribe button before you leave. Again, if you wanted to sign up for a Pop in a Box, I will leave the link in the description box below. That will save you some coinage. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!